In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're logged in, look over to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you'll see your organization's name. Click on it. When you do, a pop-up menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Now that you're on the Settings page, look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find various options, and you want to click on Users. This section will display everyone who currently has access to your Klaviyo account. It's a helpful way to see who's a part of your team already. Once you're on the Users page, it's time to invite a new user. Look for the button labeled Add New User and give it a click. This will open up an invitation form where you can enter the new user's details. At this point, you'll need to type in the email address of the team member you want to invite. Make sure you double-check the spelling to ensure it reaches the right person. After entering their email, there's an important step. You need to assign the right user role. There's a drop-down menu next to the user role option. Click on that, and you'll see different roles available. For this particular case, select Admin. Choosing this option gives the new member full operational access to your account. This includes the ability to manage campaigns, flows, and even billing. However, just to note, admins do not have the authority to delete the primary account owner, so your main account will remain secure. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and selected the appropriate role, it's time to send the invitation. Look for the button that says Add User and give it a click. When you do this, your team member will receive an email invitation to accept. They'll have the option to set up a new account or log into their existing one, and then they'll automatically join your Klaviyo dashboard. And just like that, you've successfully added a new admin team member to your Klaviyo account. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your team can collaborate efficiently on your marketing strategies and campaigns. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help and clarify anything if needed. Remember, collaboration is key when it comes to maximizing your marketing efforts. Having the right people on your team, especially those with admin access, can make a significant difference in how effectively you run your campaigns. So take your time to ensure you're adding the right members and granting them the appropriate roles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips like this.